shown lots of resilience, just like in the squirrels and the badgers. And the person we're impressed with this week is Billy. Every week, because they always show all of our week family values, and they always show all of our 3 R's. Can anybody remind me what our 3 R's are in here?
Regulated, resilient, and respectful.
Yeah, so they are regulated, resilient, and respectful. And that person is Cora. The attendance certificate at the moment. I've got them there. Where was it last week? In new ways. Now, we've got one more register to do before he can be delivered. So this afternoon, Mrs. Hurst is going to come around and bring in to the class who has the best attendance. What are we trying to aim for in our attendance, Rosie?
96.
96%. So anything above 96% is a big thumbs up. The class who gets the most gets to have our lovely attendance there for the week. So we need to make sure we're through school every single day to see with a chance. Now last week when I was in assembly, I saw Mr. Smith and Mr. Front and children there in the uniform, and this week I've been able to give out lots of gems in our jar because nearly everybody in my class has come in their uniform. So if you've tried really hard to win your uniform, tell your teacher, I put a pebble in the jar. So if you've got your uniform on today, you can have a pebble in your jar. See who's going to get it. I haven't got the jar this morning. So we'll do that later. Right then, I hope you have a super duper Friday. And there's a lovely lady. And we'll see you all tomorrow at school. I don't see you through the day. So